This video is going to walk you through the auto loans assignment. And so here we have Molly, who is doing some vehicle shopping and trying to figure out what is the best deal for her. So we have all of our car information here, kind of what are my financing options, and then we are assuming when we need a price of the vehicle that is $24,790. And so this first one, she's using the 0% APR offer from here, and we're just rounding everything to the nearest dollar. So Molly has a $2,500 down payment and the dealer's $1,500 cash allowance. So how much of a loan does she actually need? So we're just going to take that $24,790 and subtract $2,500 and subtract $1,500. So that tells me she actually needs a loan for the $20,790. And then how much will Molly's monthly payment be if she makes 36 monthly payments? So we're just going to take that divided by 36 and $577.50. How much interest will she pay? Well, she got 0% APR, so that means nothing. So 0. And when Molly adds all of her payments, how much will the car cost her? Still just that $20,790. So that's just due to that 0% APR. So then when you go down to these next few problems, they change it just a little bit, and so you'll have to use this loan calculator like we've done before, and kind of walk through and put in all of your loan terms, calculate. If you actually need to see like the actual data, you just say show amortization schedule. So you'll do that for part 2. And then here you're looking more into a part 3. And then part 4 is just kind of like your overall thoughts about purchasing this car. So part 1 here is not for a grade, just kind of helps you understand what all of the questions mean. The other parts are.